Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. But anyways, guys, in today's video we're going to be installing a VRSF charge pipe and an HKS blowout valve on Thomas E92 335i. So it has the N54 motor. So we're going to be hearing some more turbo noise, guys. I'm really excited, and I know you guys are, because you want us to do more performance mod. But I'm super excited. I did give a little preview in the last video where we were installing the M3 hood and also the trunk on Thomas E92. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. The links will be down below or somewhere up here. But anyways, guys, I'm super excited. I just got here, so I'm about to show you the charge pipe and the blowout valve. I'm super excited to see this how it sounds and everything. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. I'm super excited. Okay, guys, so here's the E92. Like I said, if you haven't seen the last video, go check it out, because that M3 hood looks really good. The fitment is really good. But here goes the VRS charge pipe and the HKS blowout valve. Like I said, this is way better than the BMW plastic one that comes with it. So this is definitely an upgrade in performance, and also with the blowout valve, it makes it sound a lot better. Came with a little booth. It says VRSF. It'll look pretty good. And also, you're gonna need some pliers. It's called snap ring pliers. You definitely need this, guys. It's gonna make installing that ring on the blowout valve to the charge pipe way easier, guys. So if you don't have this, definitely pick it up. It's only like $8 at Walmart, guys. But let me go ahead and show you why you need this, and that'll be pretty much it, guys. I kind of dropped that, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you pick up that tool, guys, because it makes your life way easier. Okay, guys, so I gotta kind of bend down a little bit, but this is the VRS charge pipe. Give you a little closer look. Sounds pretty solid. And this is the blowout valve right here, HKS blowout valve. This thing's such a beauty. It's gonna make wonderful noises, guys. So recommend this. And basically what I'm gonna do right now is just go ahead and make sure the fitment is good. I'm gonna go ahead and install the blowout valve. Make sure you face the little nipple part going backwards from the charge pipe. That way you can connect the vacuum hose, and it should be a pretty easy install, guys. It's not too difficult. Out of 1 to 10, I say it will be maybe like a 6, so it should be fairly easy. Let me go ahead and install this right quick, and I'll pick up the video right then. All right, guys, so here's the charge pipe. Like I said, you gotta get your O-ring that comes with the blowout valve, and all you gotta do is leave it there. And then it comes with a little metal, I want to say like a gasket or something. But as you can see, one area is flat and one area has a little bump. Make sure the flat area goes to the bottom of the blowout valve. So this is what you want to do. This is the easiest way to put it in. You just get it in there. Make sure the flat side is in the bottom. And then what you want to do is line the blowout valve facing the back way of the charge pipe. And there it goes right there. And now this is where this tool comes in handy, because all you gotta do is hold the little gasket down like that, and then with this little pliers you grab the gasket, you squeeze it. Okay, guys, so this is how the blowout valve should look. It should give you the same gap. It is pretty difficult, but you'll eventually get it on, especially with this tool. If you have the extra money, go ahead and spend the extra money on a better set. This is kind of a cheap little tool. It was only $8, but I recommend a better set of tools, because you can see the tips breaks off really easily. So I had to use the other one that came with it. But make sure the blowout valve is very steady. It can have a little bit of play, not too much, but make sure when you try to pull it off, it doesn't pop off, because the blowout valve might come off when you drive. But I gave it a try, and the blowout valve don't come out. So next thing you want to do is tighten up these screws right here, and go ahead and tighten both of those. Okay, guys, so the charge pipe and the blowout valve is all set. Now all we gotta do is take off this air scoops, and then go ahead and take off the factory charge pipe, and it should be pretty simple. It's just take off the bolts, take off the clamps, and replace it with a new one. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so what we first gonna do is remove these air scoops. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do right now is go ahead and take off this clamp right here, pop off this little clip right here, pop it off with any screwdriver, and pull out the charge pipe and take all the clamps out. And then we're gonna have to loosen these little hoses. So let me go ahead and do that right quick, and the charge pipe should come out, guys. It's a really simple, easy process, performance mod. So let me get right to it. Okay guys, so we literally got everything off. All we gotta take is the sensor out, which is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right behind there. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it a little bit, but in order to take these valves out, all you gotta do is twist it and pull, and that should come out easy. There's no need to take them out from right here because literally you're just not going to use them anymore. And yeah, let me go ahead and take out the sensor. It's pretty in a tight spot where my hand can't really reach, but I'll take it off, and when I do, I'll pick it up, guys. Okay guys, so I just disconnected the sensor, and it should come out pretty easy now. Here it goes, guys. This is the stock OEM charge pipe plastic that BMW made that is crap. Let's take a look at the comparison. Just take a look at the comparison of this ugly charge pipe versus this VRS charge pipe. It looks so good, guys. Now it should be just easily putting it back in, but before we put it back in, make sure we gotta replace the sensor into the new charge pipe, and you definitely gonna have to reuse the new bulbs, and it should be pretty easy, guys. Like I said, this is like a 6 out of 10 difficulty. Let me go ahead and change the sensor, and we can go ahead and install the charge pipe. Okay guys, so I did make a mistake. You do gotta use the screws that they provide for you. I was trying to put the big on the factory screws, but they were not the right size, so make sure to put the screws that they provide. Make it a lot simpler, and no wonder the thread wasn't twisting. But that's pretty much it, guys. You see the blow-off valve, HKS blow-off valve is installed. These bolts are installed, well tightened, and the sensor is on. All we gotta do is just put it back in and start hearing those turbo noises. All right guys, so we just got the charge pipe installed. The vacuum line, it seems a little bit short, but we made it work. We're definitely gonna go buy a new one so you can have a little more play with it. But it is a little bit short, but it is all the way to the back and all the way to the back of the blow-off valve, so we're pretty good in that. But we definitely are gonna get a new one. Right now we're gonna tighten these clamps. Make sure you tighten this really tight, because when you're under boost it might come loose. So that kind of rhymes. Where you're under boost it might come loose, so go ahead and just tighten it as tight as you can. Over tighten it if you want, but just make sure this thing is really tight. All right guys, so we installed a charge pipe yesterday and the HKS blow-off valve yesterday, but we was revving it after we installed it, and I wish I would have recorded because the HKS blow-off valve just blew out when I started revving it, so I didn't install it right. Make sure, guys, it has no movement. Mine's, when I installed it, it had a little bit of movement. I could have twisted a little bit, but make sure it's like very good in there, and just make sure you do it right, because I thought it was okay with a little movement, but it just came off when we was giving a couple revs. So now yesterday I was putting it back on and it was nighttime and I didn't record, but I wish I was recording so y'all could have seen the blow-off valve fly off, and probably would have been a little funny clip. But now we all good, and now Tom's about to go ahead and start it. It is raining a little bit, but Tom's about to start it again. It's not cold, it's not a cold start, but Tom's about to give a couple revs and they will get some flybys. It's really loud, guys. It's very exciting. Let's get it. Guys, if you have not seen the last video about the hood, make sure you go check it out. Because it's rainy and this hood looks so good. Thomas is about to get it repainted, and he also got something else that's gonna have to get repainted. But it looks really good. The car warmed up about like 5 minutes already. So Thomas, you can go ahead and give it some revs. Dude, that sounds really good. Do it again. Guys, let me know what you think about that. That sounds really good. You can hear just the turbo noise. Man, I 100% recommend this. This looks and sounds really good. Hold up, pop the hood so they can see the install. All right guys, so this is the, make sure this HKS blow-off valve don't have no movement like I said, because it will pop off, and that's kind of bad if you're driving and you don't even know and the blow-off valve came out. And I do believe Thomas paid like $300 for it, but he also bought a new line yesterday, so the charge pipe and the HKS blow valve is really good. It's steady, it won't come off no more. But just look at that, guys, that looks really sick. And we better go get some clips of him driving and just hear the blow valve. Like you heard in the last clip, this thing is really loud. It sounds really good. So if you're in the market for a blow valve and a charge pipe, I will go with VRSF and the HKS blow valve, because it's a good combo. I think Thomas, the next thing he's gonna do is downpipes and an intercooler, and then he's gonna might go with an MHD tune. He wanted to go JB4, but I think he's going more with the MHD tune. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get some rollers and hear that nice blow valve. All right guys, so me and Thomas about to go hit some couple roads that we know that there's no cops or nothing. We're gonna get a couple pulls. We're gonna show you how the blow valve sounds with the windows up, and then we'll do a comparison with the windows down, and we'll just get some more sounds. I know the video has been more about how to install it, but make no mistake, I'm gonna be showing a lot of clips of how this blow valve sounds. It sounds really good, guys. You can tell a difference with the charge pipe too. And yeah guys, let's go ahead and hit those roads. All right guys, so we better show you how it sounds while driving with the windows up. And if you hear a little squeaky noises, because we are rubbing. Thomas is static on BC coilover, so he's really super low. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a pull right now, and hopefully I can hear the blow valve. You hear that?
Yeah, I hear that.
Definitely feel a difference with the charge pipe. Damn, that sounds really good. Guys, so we popping the hood. We're doing a lot of illegal shit. I think we gonna get the cars caught because a lot of cars stop by saying, what are we doing? But I'll give you a couple more views, a couple more revs. All right guys, I just got back from the pulls. I hope you enjoy those little sound clips. I hope they are justified with the camera volume. I mean, I do got a good vlogging camera, but I don't know how it is with the sound. But hopefully you can hear the blow-off valve. I'm sure you can. But let me know what you think about the HKS blow-off valve and the VRSF charge pipe. Was it worth it? I think it was. No more plastic charge pipe, so when Thomas tuned the car, it will be all good. The next thing he gotta do is the intercooler and downpipes, and then he'll be full bolt on and he'll go with the MHD tuning. He was gonna go JB4, but I think he's going with MHD But anyways guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you haven't seen the last video, make sure you go watch it, because this hood looks insane. So if you want to see how good, we only got this for $300 and already painted. It was an M3 hood. Go ahead and click on the link so you can go watch that video. But with that being said guys, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.